Burton, this one is for you. This is 11:30 Saturday night, and this is how much we have so far. And they said the heaviest snow is supposed to come after midnight, so you can see my Jeep is covered now. My neighbor asked me if he can park in my driveway next to me there for the storm, because his driveway is taken up with his mother's car and his brother's car, and you have to take the cars off the street for the snow plows. And so this is so far this is what we have. And I'm thinking, oh, it's freezing. I just opened the door and kind of peeked out here for you, but I wanted to actually capture the difference between tonight and then tomorrow morning, because they're talking about 15, possibly 15 inches here. So we'll check again in the morning. The blizzard of '09. Oh God, we couldn't get through a year without a blizzard, right? I'll talk to you later. Definitely not as bad as we thought. My little neighbor is shoveling the snow. He cleaned my car off. How sweet. But nowhere near what I would say. I don't know. Looks like it's about 8 inches maybe. This is nothing for us. I thought what they were talking about, but they always do that to us. Always. Get everybody all freaked out. But it does look like a white Christmas now. What is that? What is it, puppy? David made you a space. He made you a patch of land. Good boy. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go, go. What is all that? No? You want to go back in? You don't like it? Aw. Go ahead.